We're here at WPAN in Pensacola, Florida. Typical transmitter, first day, install, a room completely full of new equipment, junk, tower crew stuff. Looks like they're pretty thirsty, tower crew. So we gotta clean out just to make room to unpack and place stuff. This looks like the transmission line coming down from the antenna that we'll have to connect to. Transmitter's probably gonna go back in that back corner. No lights. Pretty dark in here, but it does have air conditioning, so it's cold. Let's get at it. Hello, Jerry Garrett with QComm. I'm going to show you a Q-tip on how to mount a heat exchanger to a concrete pad. First off, what we like to do is we like to use these sleeve anchors. You can get them at Home Depot. This is a perfect size, 3/8 by 1 7/8. So let's get started. I'll show you how to set your bit depth. We like to drill through this foot right here. So that sleeve anchor, you got to drill it 1/4 inch deeper than the anchor. So I'm gonna put a piece of tape here at 2 1/4. That's my depth, how far down I'm gonna drill. As you can see, we also have our copper strap, our grounding strap underneath this front part. It's just an easy way to fasten it to the concrete. Always vacuum out your hole. Take your nut and put it to the flush there so that you can use a piece of all thread or something to tap that down in there. Pretty simple. Now all we're going to do is tighten it up. That is secure. That will not pull out. It's pretty much that simple. Keep checking in for more Q-tips. Thank you.
This is WPAN. Completed system is a 20. No power yet. Pumps running. Go outside. All press fit plumbing.